it's Brooklyn and Abroad, and today is day one in Aruba. I can't wait to share with you this whole 5-day adventure, but to start off, we are dressed in our carnival outfits because we're actually here for carnival, and this actually was not planned at all, so very excited for what's to come. There's a ton of parades, ton of activities, tons of music, dancing, so that's honestly what I'm excited for most. But have to shout out the outfit. I got this bikini like 2 years ago, and I actually never wore it, but I lent it to my sister. So she told me it was a great bathing suit. And I bought this on Amazon. These I got from the Museum of Gold. And then the makeup is just debating if I overdid it or not. My eyes keep tearing, so I think I did. But nonetheless, we are ready to go out soon. I just wanted to do a little video to catch us all up. We left the airport this morning at 7 o'clock, came here around 2, waited in line for about, oh, just kidding. We came here at 1, waited in line until 2, I think. And then we got a rental car. We went to get some food. We did some grocery shopping, and we got here right before in the Airbnb. Check-in's at 4, so we actually came here at 4:20, which is perfect timing. It couldn't have gone any smoother. We spent some time in the pool. I had a little bit of a headache, I think it's because traveling, it was really hot in there. Maybe could have eaten or drank a bit more. So I took 2 Advil and showered and then went to bed. Everyone napped for like, I think 2 or 3 hours, and then we woke up, we're ready to go. I just started getting ready, things like that. So yeah, this is going to be a great trip. So far, we have 2-day excursions. We rented a car, so we're going to go around the island to natural cave pools and national parks and really awesome rock formations too. And then on 3rd day, we're going to spend it at the beach in Palm Island. I was told from a local that it's better than Flamingo Beach, which it tends to be more expensive and touristy. I know a bunch of people that actually have been to Aruba before, so I've been taking their recommendations, adding it to the list, but for now, this place looks so nice. Overall, it's a great start to the trip. I'm super excited again, like I said, for what's to come, and gotta keep you updated. Bye, guys. Everyone's getting ready for the photo.